Hi friends, it's Steph. Wow, what a busy week I have had. So we had state championships yesterday for powerlifting for my youngest daughter. She ended up taking seventh in the state. She did so well. It was her first year doing powerlifting, and she has been dealing with a back hip injury for the last month that she really pushed through. We're so proud of her. She did so good. So we got in late last night, and I'm making a video, guys. So today is going to be a fun one. You see, I don't have a house in front of me, but I have a box in front of me. So my friend Marie over at Notorious Crafts and myself, we got together. Gosh, y'all, it's been November, December that we first started talking about doing this collaboration. And it's just, we're both so busy that it's just taken us a while. I've had this box forever. She's had her box forever. So we finally decided this weekend is the day. So Marie sent me this box of things that she picked out for me, and I sent her a box specially picked out for her. And so we're going to open it today and see what we got, and we're going to try to see how we're going to utilize all of these fun things. So let me get it open. When it first came, I was like, it was a recycled Amazon box, and I was like, what did I order from Amazon? Did they send me something that somebody else had? I wasn't sure. Then I saw the tag on it. I was like, oh, no, that's from Marie. So I'm going to set this right over here beside me so it's not taking up space. I missed a piece of tape here. All right. And it is so fun, you guys, shopping for somebody else. I really loved doing it, thinking of the things, the projects that she had in mind for herself. So it was really a lot of fun. So, all right, let's see. She packaged everything so nicely. Let's see what we've got. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this beautiful bed. I love it. Already, y'all, I'm just ridiculous. I love getting things in the mail, though. Y'all know how I am. This is simply lovely. It is like a whole bed set. Look, there's some flowers. And I have to tell you, y'all are going to be so excited at the things I found at Michael's this weekend. I was able to sneak off to a Michael's. Some shelves. These are two little shelves. Those are nice. Those are actually the kind of shelves I want to put in my real house, you guys. See, Marie knows me so well. A nice clock to put on the wall. Let's see. A wicker basket. I love these baskets. They are so nice. All right. And some storage jars. Y'all know how I feel about storage jars. I'm going to leave those in there. But they have nice wooden lids. You can paint the lids, make them different colors. So yes, I love it. And then this bed is metal, you guys. Very well made. I love the sizing of it. And guess what? This is going to go in the house, the actual doll house. We have a bed for it. So I'm super excited. Oh my gosh. In fact, all of this stuff I feel like fits the aesthetic of what I'm going for in the dollhouse. I'm going for kind of like a modern farmhouse. Not, when I say modern, I don't mean like slick, black kind of stuff like that. I just mean not old-fashioned farmhouse, but just newer stuff, but that still fits farmhouse, and that you could still put antiques in with it. Does that make sense? It does in my brain. I don't know if it does to anybody else, but I guess it only has to make sense to me. All right, now we have a blue wrapped package. Oh, Marie, you outdid yourself, girl. I think I need to send another box, y'all. Oh, look, it is s'mores. How cute is that, you guys? They're actually marshmallows on a stick. I love this. If I can get it open. Let's see. There we go. I don't want to take it all out because it's such tiny little pieces, but I have got to show you guys this marshmallow on a stick. I love it. I've never seen anything like this. That is adorable. And y'all remember we have all the little camping stuff to make a camping scene. Perfect. I love it. Some hatchets. You cannot have a house or anything or go camping without a hatchet, right? There's one of them. Those are so nice. 3 different sizes. I forget what this one is called. It may still be a hatchet, but it's a special kind of one. And then just a longer handled axe. I guess this one's an axe. Those are so nice. Well made. These are metal. So very, very well made. Love it. Oh, some charms, some camping charms. Look at the little compass, you guys. I love it. So cute. Love them. And these look like they are from, it's either Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I'm not 100%. Oh, Hobby Lobby. Yep. Those are from Hobby Lobby. Super cute. Oh, a nice lantern for our camping scene. And we did kind of tell each other what our next projects or what projects we had in mind. And y'all know I have always a million projects. Poor Maria's probably like, well, okay, Steph. Because it's like a million projects. These are, what are these? Sleeping bags. Oh my goodness. How cute is this? It is, y'all, it feels like real sleeping bag material. I love it. I'm afraid to undo that because I might not get it back. And there's 2 of those. Y'all, now I really have to do the camping scene, don't I? Marie, you're just pushing me to do the things I say I'm going to do. Oh, and this one is another sleeping bag. It's a different style of sleeping bag. Let's see. You guys, I know nothing. Oh, look. Oh, y'all, it is so soft. I've never felt anything so soft. And it's the kind with a little hood on it, so you can really get yourself mummified in there and stay warm when it's cold, when you're out camping or it's raining. Oh, I love it. Y'all, that is so soft. I just cannot get over that. Look, we can put that on our bed. There we go. Some camping dishware. Those are like those speckled old-fashioned dinnerware. I forget what this is called. They call it spatterware, but I think this kind of dinnerware has a special name. If you know what it is, tell me in the comments because I cannot remember. But I used to love that. My great-grandmother had pans like that, and I loved them. This is a set of camping things. Let's see. A little cooktop. I got to put everything together. I'm not sure where that one goes, but this goes here. So cute. Hang the pot. A little fire or, oh, that's, okay. So the fire goes there, then you've got some firewood and that, I'm not sure where that goes, but look, I love it. I love it so much. Oh my goodness. I am definitely going to have to send another box to Marie. And she has a card in here. And it's stuck, so I cannot get it out just yet. But I will do that in a moment. It's like the envelope glue got stuck to the side. All right, here's another package. Oh my goodness, Marie, you really did. Friend, go above and beyond. Oh my gosh. These look like x-rays. This is doctor stuff. So see, she really stuck with all of my themes. She had the bedroom stuff, then she had the camping stuff, and now this is doctor things, doctor items. Let's see if I can get these out. Yeah. These look like, well, maybe they're like notebooks and stuff. Oh, they're cute little notebooks and things. Yeah, I have to fold them and put them all together. Those are so cute. Yeah, folder doll stationery decoration. So cute because, you know, when you're a medical person or medical student, you have lots of notebooks. There's a stethoscope, a shot, some calipers, and what is that thing? A reflex tester. So cute. Oh my gosh. I think that I'm going to say the words so cute a million times today, you guys. And this video is going to go up so early, y'all aren't going to know what to think when I get a video up early. And these are just those medical, like, posters that you can hang up. Cute body parts. Those posters, like when I take my husband to the doctor, y'all, there's the only thing to do in the doctor's office is to stare at all their posters they have. I haven't learned anything, but I've stared at a lot of posters and read everything on them. Super fun. There's our, yeah, our intestines and spine and everything else. Those will be nice to sort through. Oh, here's a little cabinet, little drawers to put in the doctor's office. We can put all of our little things, the little drawers. I think they work. Yep, the little drawers work. How cute is that, you guys? I love it. This is 3D printed. Very, very nice quality. I really do. I know a lot of people don't care for 3D printed things, but I like them. I feel like they're good quality. They're sturdy. They don't break easily. So, you know, I'm not opposed. And I think everything is a balance again, you know, with 3D, with handmade, and with purchased. So, all right, this is, oh, look, you guys, a little picnic table. I love it. Love it, love it. It's so cute, you guys. It's a little picnic table with one side has a bench seat, and the other side, or you could use these around the campfire. Other side, let's see if I'm trying to get them open. They got those in there pretty tight. Or the other side of the table could be these little stools. Oh my gosh, Marie, you really, my friend, you outdid yourself. I love it. I absolutely love everything about all of this box. This is the most fun box I've had in a very, very long time. And she even threw in some Christmas stuff, you guys. This can go into our Christmas shop. Y'all know I'm always in Christmas shop mode, but I'm really trying to get done with that. Not get rid of, get finished with the Christmas shop. Look at that cute little snowman. He will fit nicely on the shelf. And we have some cute little Christmas trees. These are little wooden pieces, painted, very nice. And a little scarf. I love it. Love it, love it. All right. Looks like a couple more things out, and I think these are tents. So I'm gonna have to make a big camping scene. This this looks really nice. You know, they have the poles that go through them to make like I'm not really sure what type of tent that is called, but it's like a little dome type tent. Maybe that's what it's called. Is it a dome tent, you guys? Somebody tell me. I know you guys are so smart. I forget my words a lot of times, so hopefully you guys know. I'm gonna have to keep all, you know, keeping all these together will be my hardest thing. But here's this one. Oh, I love it. Look at the nice pictures on it. Love it. It's got a little compass, little western scene, mountains. It says outdoors. There's nothing more precious than dreams. Oh, I love it. And then it has the opening. Very well made, you guys. Look at the mesh to keep the buggies out. And then it has this just Velcros on, and there's your opening. Y'all, this is going to be so fun to do now. We have so much fun stuff for it. And then the other one is the same, except it is gray, but I'll go ahead and show y'all that too. Put that there so I don't lose those. All right. Oh, this one, I love the colors on this one. So this one has like foresty type look to it, pine trees. Oh, and this one has snow-capped mountains, camping area, coniferous forest. Very nice. It says the same thing. on this thing, on this side, and then it has like their little logo. You know how tents have logos. Then this one opens the same way. It has the mesh. Very, very nice. Oh my gosh, Marie. I don't know. I'm feeling like my package was inadequate. Oh, I missed the little first aid box, you guys. This is from Hobby Lobby. It's a little metal box. Let's open it and look at it because it looks super cute. Little first aid box. Every doctor's office needs a first aid box, right? You hope. If your doctor's office does not have a first aid box, find a new doctor. So this latches on right there. It's like one of those old-fashioned metal boxes. Look at how cute. We'll have to make some things to go in it. Now I guess we know what our next projects are going to be, guys. And then another little clipboard. That's so nice. Oh my gosh, Marie, thank you so much. This was such a fun collaboration. I cannot wait to utilize all of these wonderful items in some of my projects. So thank you so much, my friend. I do appreciate you. And I hope that we can do something fun like this again soon. Friends, thank you for watching. I will probably be putting up another video soon before Wednesday this week because I need to do a video for the shop because I'm going to get the windows in and have some things done for there, and I'm working on the pegboard or hanger things to display our items for sale. So thank you so much for joining me on this Sunday morning. I appreciate each and every one of you. Our channel is growing very quickly, and it is all due to you guys. You're sharing, you're hyping the video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the content that we're putting out. We have a lot more Temu hauls, y'all. I'm collecting Temu stuff. I've got several hauls to do. I have a Michaels haul to do. And the Series 2 animals, we'll do those one day too. So I'm super, super excited for where we're going. A lot more projects to do, and then some crafts on top of that. We're going to do a junk journal this Wednesday. I have some new items to do with my junk journal, and I'm so excited. So I will see you all soon. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me today, and have a great rest of your weekend. Bye, guys.